belt is smoking a lot. I'm not quite sure why. And you can smell it. It smells like a f***ing burning up belt. The belt is in fact burning up.
This would be less of a problem if there was any wind, because we could just sail. Good news is we have depth. We did install the depth sounder yesterday, so that's good. We're gonna hopefully grab a mooring in Annapolis, and Jack will hang out there all week. Jealous.
I think the alternator might be bad, but I don't know. I'm not gonna be able to do anything about it, and it's gonna keep smoking because I think it means it's maybe not like spinning like it should, and it's also like not really producing any electricity. So, but I don't like it. It's not fun. Not fun. Very upset.
I know. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Can't win them all. We had such a good day with
Yesterday?
Appa 2 days ago, and now the engine's seppukuing itself. There you go. Now you can enjoy the view with us. Aside from all the stress of the morning, it is a nice day. It's lovely. Keep going. Let me show you the cool view between the spans. Ta-da! Isn't that cool? I love when it gets perfectly symmetrical right now.
It's a beautiful shot.
Bay Bridge, baby.
We're doing almost 6 knots.
Damn.
5.5. All right, let's see how much solar energy we're producing. 300 watts of solar. Batteries are fully charged.
But here's basically what's gonna happen. There's gonna be like a little buoy, like in the water, that will have a line with like an eye attached to it, like a big one. And I have to take the boat hook, kind of lean down, scoop it, grab it, put a line through it, and attach it to the boat. So we'll get the boat hook ready. So we got the boat hook. So we put this around this cleat. So basically, boat hook in one hand, line in the other. Pull that little eye of the mooring up, feed this through, and then we're Gucci. So we have these really, really cool guys.
Radio check, radio check, radio check. Get up there, Sparky. Number 21.
21, just off the starboard side here.
Yes, mooring ball to port when I come over.
Mooring ball to port, copy. Let me switch over the line. We're made. Wow, we made that look easy. That's probably the best we've ever done it, honestly. Literally, getting from here to off of the boat takes like another full hour, probably.
No.
So, chores. We have an anchor riding sail, which is like a little sail. Keep the boat facing into the wind, really nice.
Anchor riding sail. This was one of Mariana's first sailrite projects.
I did, I made that.
Okay, do we want to put probably the sail cover on? The main cover?
Sure. Ta-da! Next chore. Dinghy. You may be asking yourself, why not just put it on deck? Well, as we've just discussed, the sun destroys everything. Now our workout for the day, blowing it up.
You can buy electric ones of these.
To what end?
To what end?
To what end? So you blow up, there's 2 holes in the dinghy. You blow them up kind of like one side at a time. So this side's looking full, the other side is still flat. So you have to do this again. Look at that man pump up that dinghy. Yow! Now it needs to get in the water. How, you ask? How else? We have to lift it.
How do we lift it?
The power of halyards.
Oh,
Oh, fuck.
I would have jumped in after it.
I gotta put the engine on the dinghy now.
Bye.
We're gonna go get lunch. Thanks for joining. Jack's gonna take you on a little lap of the boat and we'll end the stream. Bye.
Bye. Oh, the engine died. Bye, everyone.